Welcome back to another build for the Ls1 for the Z. Today we got more parts. What do they call? Accessory drives. So we got all the bracket and the pulleys today. So this is the first box. They come in with this. And it comes with a belt and instruction right there. And some stickers, LOJ conversion. And the second one is for the alternator. Okay. Oh wait, so this is the oil filter relocation kit. So 10 in fittings, the housing, the bracket that will go on the block on the driver's side, and this is for the alternator. That's for the alternator. This is for the AC compressor, I think. Yeah, this is for the AC compressor, I guess. Yeah, this is it. And it comes with an instruction too. And I got this little piece. Like last time I was struggling with this one. Right there. That's for the where the oil dipstick tube was. So some are racing sell these like aluminum billets. So you can just plug it in with the O-rings. And the most crucial part is the fuel pump. It looks kind of dirty, but yeah, this is from LOJ too, and it comes with a fuel line that directly connects to the OEM fuel lines on the Z, the green side, the black side, and it comes with a retainer too, so that's pretty neat. So, but yeah, let's just get right to it. Yeah, I got a lot of brackets to mount on the block right there, so stay tuned. Alright, so instead of talking a lot, I'm just gonna start installing all the parts that I have, hopefully today. I was start earlier today, but it was way too hot. Like I couldn't even sit in the garage, but yeah, so it's later in the day, so I'm just getting started on that and see how everything goes. Alright, so the bracket is on. These 3 bolts are to be torqued to 37 foot-pound, so 37 foot-pound torque. Alright, guess I didn't record that little piece that I was talking about, but yeah, let me just show y'all what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's just for the bracket, but so I have the belt and the bolt for the actual AC compressor and the little block that goes between the sleeves. So I'm gonna save that for later. But now I'm gonna move on to the oil fluid relocation kit and the lines. I'm not really like put it on tight. I'm just gonna fit it in, so see how it goes and see if I can fit the exhaust manifold, because it's already here. The package is right there, but I haven't opened it yet. So let me put these on first and see how it looks. Yeah. fucking nice. But so like these two ones goes right here, like so if you guys hear a lot of noises, if this guy making the noises, say hi, boy. But yeah, so like these fittings, like I told you guys about it, like it goes on the adapter kit right here, like that. It goes in. There you go. Where's the other one? So it goes in like that. I'm not gonna tie it on right now, so let me just put the line in, see how it looks. So these sides, they're for like heat resistant, so this will go on the top towards the bottom, like that. So what's up, man? I don't know why I get caught in the middle of filming. I don't know why people does that. But yeah, so this is how it looks. So, I mean, this is gonna fit, so because the exhaust manifold right there. ISR long tube. But yeah, so kind of looks like that, so yeah. Alright, so let's move on to the passenger side for the alternator bracket and other pulleys, because it comes with 3 pulleys. So, but yeah, let me look at the inspection real quick. So the first one is this aluminum piece. This has the like slotted holes, so you can adjust the alternator to line up with the crankshaft pulley. I'm guessing a little more parts. So there a piece goes that, so like that. And now so you can put the bolt. Let me just move this out of the way. Alright, so I have a problem. So there's 3 bolt holes. There's only 2 here. There was supposed to be 1 here, I guess, but this aluminum bar doesn't have them, so that's kind of concerning. But before you tighten everything down, so I don't have the alternator yet, so you need the Nissan alternator to put on here so you can mock the, what is it? Like to align it with the crankshaft pulley. So this is how everything looks. I'm just missing a couple pieces because I don't have the alternator or the AC compressor yet to mock them up. So, but this is how it's gonna be for a little bit for now. I still don't know about the fucking the dipstick too, because I'm afraid that the AC compressor is gonna be on the way. So I don't know what to do about that. So I'll catch y'all later. Thanks for watching, and I want to thank you to all the subscribers. 289, so we're close to 300, and I really appreciate that. And so let's keep going, and more parts will be coming soon, and hopefully the beginning of next month I will be beginning the actual swap of the Z right there. So yeah, so stay tuned. Thank you, and see y'all later. Bye.